Do you spend more time than you want finding a pump that fits your duty point and application? It could be worth a visit to the Grundfos Product Centre. To quickly and accurately size a pump by application, select the application area and application that concerns you. Set your flow and head. Click Size Product. Then select Parameter for evaluation, such as energy consumption, and click Start Sizing. A selection of products will appear on screen, listed in descending order according to best life cycle cost. Click on a product to find out information including duty points, curve, and sizing results. I hope you found this useful. And remember, this handy function is just one of the many that you will find at the Grundfos Product Centre, your personal toolbox for smarter and better engineering. Go to your local Grundfos website to sign up.